Couponing is very hard, but you save a lot of money now. What up guys, I'm Michelle and welcome back to my vlog. Today I am going to attempt to go couponing. So my budget today is going to be around $70. Not that much, but we just have to get a little bit of stuff for the house for this week. And we'll see how that goes. So my budget for today has went up to like $80. So right now I'm about to go find whatever coupons I want to clip for today and the sales ad that I got from Walgreens. Alright guys, so I'm finally back from doing research on these coupons. I have found out some bad things and some good things. The good thing is that there's more coupons than I have right here. I only found 5 coupons in the sales ads that I would be using. So the purpose of buying a sales ad, I don't see it. I will probably never buy a sales ad ever again because I just wasted $3 on this sales ad just for about 4 to 5 coupons I'm going to use today. But I did find a lot of digital coupons today from Family Dollar, Publix, and Winn-Dixie. So those are the 3 stores that I'm going to be hitting up today. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. Alright you guys, so I'm in Family Dollar now. And we're looking for stuff that ain't on my list right now. So I keep the list on my phone, and I type Family Dollar. So we're getting soda and frozen foods from here. Alright, so I spent about, my total today was $25.40, but I really only wanted to spend $20, so I kind of went $5 over, but my exact total before the discounts and everything was $30. So I guess we did okay. We didn't do like what I wanted to do, but we did pretty good. So looking at the receipt, we honestly did not do that well because we only bought the sodas that were on the list. Everything else was not on the list, and we spent kind of too much. But the sodas that we got were 3 for $11, so that's why we got them at Family Dollar instead of other places. So the next store we're about to go to is Publix. Alright, so here's my list for Publix. Publix list. So in Publix I actually did very well. The deal on the Lays was buy one get one free, and also I had a coupon if I buy 2 Lays I get ground beef for $1 off. So I got that, and as well I bought 5 yogurts and I got 50 cents off those yogurts. My bad. Okay, so I forgot to record the ending of the whole total or whatever, but I got the hamburger buns $1 off. I got the V8 was $1.88. The Tortitos pizza rolls, I saved $1.50 on that. The ground turkey was $2 off, and I saved a total of $12.41. My total came out to be $38.64. So these are the groceries me and my sister have gotten at 3 stores. Don't ask me when they're on the floor because they are at the moment until I put them up. But yeah, this is all we got for under 80 bucks, you guys. Like, I saved so much money today. I haven't really calculated my total savings for today, but I went to 3 different places that y'all have seen earlier. Family Dollar, Winn-Dixie, and Publix. I saved a total of $5.42 at Publix. I saved a total at $12.41 at Winn-Dixie, and I saved a total of $5 at Family Dollar. Boy, it was a long job to find things that were like discounted or had a coupon. And I kind of lost that I was there for my house. Like, I was going grocery shopping for food and not just for the coupon items. So I kind of lost track about that. But nonetheless, I saved a lot of money because I went in with a budget of $80 and I spent, I want to say, $76, not including like cents or anything. But I saved so much money that I would usually spend $100 in a grocery store, and today I didn't spend $100. I spent $76. So I kind of feel good about that. You know, not to my own horn, but toot. I'm kind of a couponer now, you guys. I would say the best thing out of this is to use digital coupons instead of physical coupons, because physical coupons actually cost money to get, while the digital coupons, you don't even have to spend any money to get them. So digital coupons are the way to go for me. The stores that I went to, they had digital coupons. All you had to do was download their store app and you were good. I learned on this coupon experience, not even gonna lie, I kind of want to do more, but I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog.